Hi guys, hope you're well. Today a little video on anti-aging and how to stay young forever, because we all want to stay young forever. Who doesn't? And so, I think there are a lot of things with food. Obviously, if you eat foods like pomegranate or flaxseed or full of collagen and antioxidants and everything, perfect. But I think it's more mental. The other day I met a woman who was 60 years old and she looked 35. I was shocked. This is why I'm doing this video actually. And the common point, Dan Butner decided the blue zones. I'm going to post this on Instagram and it's also in my book, 5 blue zones where people live more than 100 years old. And there are 9 common points to all these people, including the person I met. And you have those points, obviously eating non-transformed natural food, walking a lot. But most of the points are really mental. It's like taking care of your loved ones, having a goal in life, giving more than you receive, being surrounded by the right people in the right place. And it's true, people who never age are always people who have this capacity of wonder, who are truly happy, who always have this sparkle in the eyes, like in the other video I did about capacity of wonder. And I think this is the key in life, always being at peace. And meditation helps so much with this, and having this peace of mind, this loving life and loving to give to other people. And I think it's a very important point. If you have questions about that, I will be happy to do another video on the points and develop the points that interest you most. Feel free to tell me whatever in the comments. I'm really always happy to answer you. In the meantime, have a beautiful day and see you soon on Your Values.